Yo, it's the mighty powerful Sun 7 from Triple R rated Earthworm All Stars and the Ear Hustlers. And when I'm planning world domination or producing sonic booms, I'm doing it with worldwide collaborations. WWC fam, get into it.
Hey, this is Rockin' Robert C. from Wax Radio, Indianapolis, showing my support for worldwide collaboration. You can check them out on wwcfam.com and get one of these.
Yeah, this your boy DJ Bone Crusher, man, representing this side of Mississippi, man, Memphis, Tennessee, Arkansas, Louisiana, the whole motherfucking South, you dig, man. And most importantly, man, representing, man, for worldwide collaboration, DJs, you dig, yeah.
Yo, what up? It's Cassius Flow 508, the promoters, live on the motherfucking book. How y'all doing? Shout out to Worldwide Collaborations, fam. You already know.
What up, y'all? It's THC the Head Chopper. Worldwide Collaboration, WWC fam. What's good? Got my wristband. You see that? Much love. Worldwide Collaboration. Yeah.
Check it out. WWC FAM, Worldwide Collaborations. I've been a member for years. Awesome. Come join us. Beverly Bush, CEO of Beautiful Danger Entertainment. Have a blessed new year.
Worldwide Collaboration.
Only for you, bro. Worldwide Collaboration, yeah.
Worldwide Platforms.
Worldwide Collaborations.
Thank you, Worldwide Collaboration, LLC.
Hello, my name is Tambourine Kay, and I would like to thank Worldwide Calibration for my lovely wristband that I like, and it is my favorite color. Thank you very much. Peace out, and y'all have a very lovely day. Thank you again. And I am so proud to wear this. It is very beautiful. I love it. One of my favorite colors. Thank you. God bless you all, and Merry Christmas to you all as well. Bye-bye, y'all.
Hey, Worldwide family, Worldwide Collaboration. I'm so tired. Been sick for a minute. Got my bracelet, yeah. Thank you, Christopher. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everybody. And again, thank you for this. My bracelet. It's in my favorite color, purple. Peace out. Merry Christmas from Granny.
Worldwide Collaboration. Join us.
Worldwide Collaboration. Awesome.
Worldwide Collaboration. Come shop at the website.
Yo, it's Brick from Strong Radio. Shouting out the Worldwide Collaborations. What up with it? Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Got my Worldwide Collaboration wristband. Yay, Rio Vegas. Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Mike Woods. Rest in Peace Records, Nice House Management, Floodgate Entertainment, Wu-Tang 4th Chamber, Lost Boys all day. Let's go. And of course, I gotta be representing for my man Chris, a Worldwide Collaboration. WWCfam.com. Check it out.
Hey, what up? It's the Hair Trigger coming at you live. Want to give my shout out to the Worldwide Collaboration, baby. Yeah.
Tweezy, aka Bars, Worldwide Collaboration. You know what's up.
Yo, what up, world? It's your boy Black Hall Henry. Shout out to my Worldwide Collaboration family. Yeah, we in that way.
Yo! Jimmy Demon checking in! Detroit! Yeah! Worldwide collaborations! Just in time! Got my worldwide collaboration wristband! Stay tuned, get yours!
Worldwide collaborations. Thanks for the bracelet.
It's DJ and promoter, celebrity DJ Ray Duff, wishing everybody a very, very Merry Christmas and a blessed, prosperous New Year. Next level DJ, radio promoter, celebrity DJ Ray Duff. Very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Worldwide collaboration. Let's go. Lego.
What's up, y'all? It's Apollo, Bright Future Music. And shout out to Worldwide Collaboration with a Christmas gift. Just glow in the dark. Thank you very much, Chris.
Say, y'all know the vibes. Someone get them in tune. That's not why we're here, baby. This why we're here. This right here. The Worldwide Collaboration. Fuck with us. That's a fact.
What up? Want to give a shout out to Worldwide Collaboration, Christopher Lee Cheney for sending me this Worldwide Collaboration bracelet. Get with the movement.
Join Worldwide Collaborations. You will not be sorry.
Yeah, you already know what it is. Checking in with you. This your boy, No One Roller Determination 11, pushing the limits promo. I'm locked in. WWC fan, Worldwide Collaboration. Y'all need to go check them out. Worldwide Collaboration. WWCfam.com. Go check them out, you know what I'm saying? Lock in. There's a movement or many movements. So if you don't know, you need to lock in. Go check that out. WWCfam.com. It's your boy. I'm out of here.
Oh yeah. Got that WWC shit. Yep. WWC Worldwide.
Hey, what's happening, Chris? Hey, this King Calvin Jones, Jr., WWC fam, man. WWC fam, global government. I actually got the actual band, man. Right there. You know what I'm saying? Worldwide collaborations. Yes, appreciate y'all, man. You know what it is, fam.
Hey, Redman is in the building. You already know, marijuana smoker, all about them bars, all about that business. Hey, PSA announcement, Worldwide Collaborations LLC. You already know what's good. Hey, listen, shout out to the Worldwide Collaborations LLC, the world movement beyond thousands of movements and talents put together, all about representing each other together. Unity is what they about. Talent is what they about. Energy is what the fuck they about. But like I tell everybody, don't take my word for it. Research everything that I tell you. All right? Because I do. Check them out on wwcfam.com. That's wwcfam.com. And check out what they got going on. Worldwide Collaborations LLC. Yes, sir. They in the fucking building. Don't take my word for it. Go look them up. It's a movement. You know the vibe. Redman in the building. That's right. And I salute this message.
Good morning, man. It's good to be here. You know, I'm fresh and early up, hyped up right now. You dig?
Okay, that's what's up. Now your pops is producing you.
Now my uncle is.
Oh, your uncle is.
My father is.
Yeah,
my uncle's
brother,
big brother.
My older brother. This is my older brother's son.
Hey, yo, what's up, y'all? This your boy Manson Bakes, shining like a diamond, baby. I'm a part of Worldwide Collaboration Group on Facebook. I'm a part of Superstar D Records as well. Check out that group, y'all. It's a beautiful group. All the artists in there rocking. Once again, it's your boy Manson Bakes. Let's go, baby. Worldwide Collaboration Group in the building. Facebook, let's go.
Yo, this is the original G-Man of hip-hop, and I'm with Worldwide Collaboration. God bless. Deuces.
Yo, what's good? This your boy Fly Gaza. You already know BX in the building. For the record radio, you either tuned in or you tuned out. I want to give a major shout out to WWC, that's Worldwide Collaboration. And yo, Chris, keep getting them, boy. You already know the vibes. Y'all either tuned in or you fucking tuned out. Flock Guys approved, you heard?
What's good, fam? It's Knox Barnes, CEO of Next Level DJ Coalition. Just want to give a shout out to my guy Christopher Lee Cheney with Worldwide Collaboration, fam. You know, they definitely a part of Next Level DJ Coalition. And shout out and salute to the fam. Let's go.
What's going on? What's going on? I'm Christopher L. Cheney, founder and creator of Worldwide Collaboration. We're a world movement beyond thousands of movements and talents put together. Go to wcfam.com/site/apply and become a part of Worldwide Collaboration. You can also sign up to wwcfam.com as well. We are everyone, everywhere, everything. I'm Christopher Lee Cheney, and I salute this message.
No.
Worldwide collaboration, work together better, and we all right. Choosing jealousy will make us all fly. Wanna toast champagne at the ball drop, or keep the dirty place and get it all mine. Do you wanna be a boss or a more guy? Do you wanna be a boss or a more guy? Worldwide collaboration.